We have over 1 million end-of-life vehicles here, and our job is to ensure every part is recycled responsibly. As you can see, the scale here is immense. We estimate billions of tons of legacy metal waiting to be processed. We're looking at some truly ancient vehicles here. We use this magnetic crane to categorize the different metal types before the shredding process begins. Okay, engage the hydraulics. Bring the press down slowly.
It is essential that we separate the metals before they reach the shredder behind me. This process increases efficiency.
We're looking at the core of the recycling process. This shredder cuts the metal into tiny fragments, ensuring that every piece is reused efficiently.
These fragments represent the raw input. We process them through the machinery you see here, melting and purifying the materials into reusable stock.
The magnetic separator utilizes a powerful electromagnetic field to extract the iron, leaving the valuable non-ferrous metals behind.
As you can see, we've transformed these vintage vehicles into high-quality raw their next life.
As you can see, the sorted metals are now moving to the production stage, where they will be melted down in the furnace behind me.
This furnace reaches temperatures exceeding 1800 degrees Celsius. At this heat, all impurity away.
We meticulously inspect the raw iron scraps for impurities before they enter the furnace. This ensures the quality of the final product. By precisely controlling the gap between these heavy industrial rollers, we ensure the metal sheets are manufactured to the exact required thickness, as monitored right here. Welcome to our motor assembly section. Our advanced robotics ensure precision alignment for every ceiling fan motor we produce. Welcome to our motor assembly section. This is where precision engineering meets high volume production for all our ceiling fans.
The core principle here is utilizing the current through these copper windings to create a powerful and precise electromagnetic field.
As you can see, the rotor is unstable.
We applied the ceramic polymer hybrid layer, ensuring these blades resist cavitation and corrosion for decades.
As you can see on the readout here, the insulation is performing well above the required threshold, ensuring long-lasting performance even under high voltage. These premium ceiling fans are designed for maximum efficiency. As you can see, they boast a BEE 5-star rating, meaning significant energy savings.
This is where the magic happens. We propel these massive fans for transit, using specialized foam and high-tension bands before they ship worldwide.
The key to our success here is the synchronized supply chain. We've reduced lead times by 15%.
This level of innovation isn't achieved alone. It's the synergy of this incredible team that drives our success.
And with this intuitive control panel, adjusting the speed and lighting is seamless, maximizing both comfort and energy efficiency.
Precision engineering is critical for durability. By focusing on these exact tolerances and meticulous design, we guarantee a significantly longer product lifespan.
This new design achieves unprecedented levels of airflow with almost zero acoustic output, as demonstrated by the data. This is where it begins. We transform this recycled iron into the high-grade materials used for our premium, sustainable ceiling fans.
Dominate the global market because our patented design offers unmatched efficiency and durability, setting a new industry standard.